Welcome to the LovedaBarber hair unit class. Are you interested in learning the art of creating and maintaining hair units? Our specialized class is designed to teach you the skills and techniques needed to confidently work with hair units that last for 3 to 4 months. In this comprehensive class, you will 1. Master hair unit creation. Learn the step-by-step process of creating high-quality hair units that look natural and seamlessly blend with the client's existing hair. From selecting the right materials to proper measurement and customization, our experienced instructors will guide you through the entire process. 2. Advanced attachment techniques. Discover various attachment methods that ensure secure and long-lasting hair units. You will learn about adhesive application, tape techniques, and other advanced attachment methods, enabling you to offer your clients a range of options based on their preferences and lifestyle.
Capturing the essence of John's journey, we interview him throughout the transformation. He shares his struggles, the emotional toll his receding hairline had on him, and how this transformation has positively impacted his life. As we witness his transformation unfold on screen, it serves as a reminder that everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. As we conclude this hair transformation video, we invite you to join the Hair Transformation Club and become a part of our community. We believe in the power of hair to enhance one's identity and expression. Whether you're seeking to restore a receding hairline or looking for a completely new look, our talented team is here to guide and support you.
Introducing Cutting Through Adversity, the LovedaBarber Story, an award-winning book that will captivate your heart and inspire you to overcome life's toughest challenges. Join us on a remarkable journey as we dive deep into the life of the barber, a resilient and passionate individual who defied all odds to pursue his dreams. In this compelling tale, you'll witness the barber's relentless pursuit of success, battling against adversity, setbacks, and doubts. Through his unwavering determination and the power of love, he transforms his humble barbershop into a sanctuary of hope, unity, and personal growth. This story beautifully intertwines themes of resilience, compassion, and the extraordinary power of human connection, leaving an indelible imprint on your soul. Cutting Through Adversity isn't just a book. It's a life-changing experience that will reignite your own inner fire. With vivid storytelling, relatable characters, and poignant lessons, this book serves as a beacon of inspiration for anyone facing obstacles on their path. Discover your own strength, unleash the power of love, and embrace the possibility of triumph through this unforgettable journey. Get your copy of Cutting Through Adversity, the LovedaBarber Story today, and embark on a transformative adventure that will leave you cheering for every triumph and shedding tears of joy.